Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or use a picture password to sign into your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the accounts tile. On the left side, select sign-in options, and then on the right side, you want to select picture password, and then proceed with the setup here. So please know you do have to have a password on your computer before you can set up a picture password option, and then you can configure it to locate different items or areas on the picture that you would select, and then that would be a way to turn on or recognize that you are the account holder on your device, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.